size. This is Tata chair. Well, I would not say it is super light, but it is a perfect weight for can chair. You know, sometimes it's just not good to have a very light, I mean, walking stick, because then you may feel unsafe or even shaking. So I think this is the right weight for can chair. And also this is the D-shaped design with some anti-loop pattern so that you can hold tight. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, so that's a built-in hook, so you can hang on something while you are traveling, hiking, or even this is good for storage. I mean, you can hang on inside your cupboard. Yeah, this is good. Okay, and there's a label here, and open lock here. Okay, so you can see what is going. Unlock it and push down as mentioned. Ta-da! So you got a chair. 3 folds for extra space. It's made with plastic, and this chair is water and UV resistant, so it's good for you to sit outside or enjoy more outdoor activity as well. It's got a label here. I'm not quite sure you can see it. It is mentioning about the maximum loading capacity is up to 300 pounds, equivalent to 136 kg. It's pretty good. And there is a patent lock here. It is their unique design. I think a safety lock is to hold all things together to make a stable chair. Yeah, it's quite stable. And also the material is light but feels solid. Yeah, even the rubber is good. Yeah, look firm. And yeah, this is the foot pad. Yeah, this is the bigger ones. Another two is smaller, because when you are going to use this for the walking stick, so that's why it's bigger, and also got this anti-slip design. Yeah, and there's the space so to hold these 2 legs. Yeah, so I just you can have. Yeah. Okay, it's pretty much